Hello, welcome to Science Fair Friday. We have a big treat for you today. Me and Miss Amy has come up with something called a non-Newtonian solution. And what that is that's a solution that does not adhere to the property of state. It also means that it can change its viscosity or flow under stress. And if you'll see, we have some already made out here. It's really cool. It looks like a liquid, right? Flows out, a liquid state, but when you let it settle, it is hard. Look at that. So there's two states of matter. Also, it breaks apart. Liquid usually doesn't do that. So very cool, kind of moves like liquid, but hard. So that is called a non-Newtonian, or your $10 word for today, non-Newtonian solution. So we're going to make our own version of it. We're going to call it Oobleck. So to make your own, you'll need 2 cups of cornstarch, some water, and some food coloring. So we take the cornstarch here, we put it in our mixing bowl, and we are going to add some water. Remember to use parent supervision, because if you're like me, you're going to make a mess. But you take it and you stir the cornstarch in the water. And it's kind of hard, so you'll have to use some muscles and a metal spoon. But you stir that in like so. You also can make it pretty by adding some food coloring. And it'll take you a little bit, but you just stir it on in. So it's kind of like goo, but it's not really the non-Newtonian. It's a hard word to say. It takes Mr. Ronnie a little practice. But it's really cool because it does not adhere to almost, you could say, the laws of science. So after you mix it in, you can let it set, and then you will eventually end up with what we started with. This liquid, or is it? And since we made Oobleck, it does one more incredible trick that we're going to show you. So let's walk over here and check out what it does to music. Do you think it can dance? All right, we've got our stereo here. We're going to make this Oobleck Dance. And what you'll need is a speaker. A bigger one would work better. Some saran wrap. And you put your non-Newtonian solution, or Oobleck, right onto the subwoofer, that part that goes up and down. And since it's this solution, it feels the vibration and the audio waves, the radio waves, and it will actually maneuver that Oobleck. It looks like it's dancing. Give us some examples of some other non-Newtonian solutions in the comments below. See how much you can find out for us. I'll give you one hit. There's something out there that we probably eat a lot of, that we add to tea. We use it as a sweetener. That is a non-Newtonian solution. So see if you can figure that one out for me. But we're going to play some music and watch this Oobleck dance. Thank you for tuning in. Always subscribe to our YouTube channel at 4-H Okaloosa. Keep 4-H first in that search tab. Follow us on Twitter and on our Facebook pages. And if you have any questions, always feel free to contact the Extension office. Thank you for joining us today.